Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up the OneDrive backup on your HP SPECTRE X360. To do that, we're gonna have to open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then scroll down the home page, and here you'll find the PC backup section in the cloud storage. And if you click right here, you'll be able to adjust your backup, so you can select what you want to back up on your device, the files that are not yet backed up, and then click Continue to start the backup. And to reach for more backup settings, go to Accounts section on the sidebar, and then scroll down to Windows Backup. Now here you'll be able to manage your synchronization settings and select which folders you want to back up, and also manage your account synchronization, whether you want to remember your apps, whether you want to remember your preferences and settings. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see right now, the PC is being backed up. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.